Let's start A to Z. This is capital A and this is small a. How to write it? Make a blue to red slant line, second slant line and slipping line. For small a, make a curve and standing line only in blue line. A for apple. B. This is capital B and this is small b. How to write it? Make red to blue standing line, first curve and second curve. For small b, make standing line and curve. B for ball. C for cow. Capital C and small c. From red to blue, big curve, this is capital C. For small c, you can make only blue line curve. This is small c. C for cow. D for duck. Capital D and small d. For capital D, make standing line from red to blue and make a curve. For small d, make a standing line and curve. E for egg. Capital E and small e. Red to blue standing line and 3 slipping line. This is capital E. For small e, make a curve and second. This is small e. E for egg. F for fan. Capital F and small f. Red to blue standing line and 2 slipping line. For small f, making standing line with curve and slipping line. F for fan. G for gun. Capital G and small g. Red to blue, big curve and small slipping and standing. For small g, make standing line with curve and in blue line curve. G for gun. H for hut. Capital H and small h. Make 2 standing line from red to blue and slipping line. For small h, making standing line and blue line with curve. This is small h. I for import. Capital I and small I. For capital I, make slipping line, red line and blue line. Make a 1 standing line. This is capital I. For small I, make standing line in blue line and dot. I for ink pot. J for jug. Capital J and small j. For capital J, make slipping line in red and standing line until blue line. This is curve. Capital J. For small j, blue line to red, standing with curve and dot. J for jug. K for kite. Capital K, make standing line red to blue, 1 slant and second slant line. For small k, make standing line, slant line and second slant line, but in only blue line. K for kite. L for lamp. Capital L, make standing line and slipping line. For small l, make only standing line. M for mouse. Capital M and small m. Make 2 standing line with red to blue and slant line. For small m, in only blue line, make curve with standing line. N for nest. Capital N and small n. For capital N, make standing line, slant line and others. Red line to blue line. For small n, only blue line, standing and second standing with curve. N for nest.